The first thing we should note is that triangle has to equal 1. Look at this multiplication here. If the square was 1, then you would see a triangle down here. So we know that triangle equals 1. Now let's look at if we did how you do this multiplication. Square times triangle, triangle times square. We know that square times triangle, since triangle is 1, this is going to give me a square. And we know that square times square would be that to the second power. And we know triangle is 1, so triangle times triangle is 1. And we know that triangle, let me get another color, triangle times square is square. And then we add these, and we know that this gives us this and this. And the reason they told us this piece of information, when we did, where is it? Square times triangle, that square times triangle has to be less than 10, and that's to keep from carrying over remainder. So we know that square times triangle has got to be actually less than 9, and 3 times 3 would give me 9, but it's got to be less than 9, so that's got to be a 2 times a 1. So that's how we know that the square is a 2. So that's how we know the answer is 21.